Let's open up some Mega Evolutions. So I got my hands on these products before the official release, which is Friday, September 26th. And here I got my hands on this booster bundle containing 6 packs and this 3-pack blister. So we have 9 packs altogether. Let's see what we could get from 9 packs, and this will give you a first-hand look of what to expect from this set. So let's go on to the opening. Alright, so let's start with the 3-pack blister. So it comes with this Golduck promo card. It's a pretty cool card. Yeah, I'll show you guys up close. So there you guys go up close. I like the artwork, I would say. Yeah, let's go from the middle. So we'll start with the Venusaur pack, and then we'll go Gardevoir and then Lucario. So let's open it up and let's start. So this is actually a really cool set. Obviously it brings back the Mega Evolutions. If you guys have not seen the cards that are contained here, we have the gold cards again. So we have the Lucario, that's gold, and then Gardevoir, gold Gardevoir, Mega Gardevoir, and Mega Lucario. But honestly, any hit that I get, I'm happy with. This is I'm gonna go in with low expectations so I don't get disappointed. But yeah, so let's start. So Strudel, Spiritomb, and the first rare is the Alga. I said Gardevoir next, but if you guys have not seen the cards in this set, I would say my top chase would probably be the Mega Latios SIR. It's so pretty. That card, it's such a cool card, and probably I would say that's my favorite artwork between in this set at least. Numel, and the other SIRs are not bad. Like the Lucario one is pretty cool, but yeah, my pick would be the Latios. And I haven't seen all the IRs, but from the ones that I've seen, they're very nice. Right, so another rare, Cinderace. And finally, let's go on to the final pack. Alright, so maybe we could get some last pack magic. Alright, so Beware, Helioptile, Ralts, Makuhita, Tangrowth, Grumpig, Latios, Tangrowth. Oh no. Oh no, we got cooked. Alright, I mean it was only 3 packs, so I said I wasn't expecting a lot from it, but still, it would have been nice to get at least 1 hit out of 3. Even an EX would have been cool just to see the artwork and stuff. But really the only highlight from that blister was the promo card, which it's not super cool, but it's still a cool promo card with the Cosmo Hollow. So let's put everything to the side and let's go on to the 6 packs booster bundle. So those are the 4 artworks on the packs that you guys will get. So Gardevoir, Lucario, Kangaskhan, and Venusaur. Ooh, that's cool. So the box comes with this Lucario artwork. Let's see what packs we get inside. Right, so Venusaur, Gardevoir, Lucario, Kangaskhan, Venusaur, and Gardevoir. Let's go from the middle outwards. Starting off with Kangaskhan, then we'll go on to the next one. And that Kangaskhan SI is actually really nice as well. I saw some pics from other people that have pulled it. I haven't attended any of the pre-release events, but I did get these packs from a pre-release, so maybe in future releases I will attend them. I saw the leaks for the new Charizard SIR that's gonna come out. That was leaked the other day, and it's very nice. That set's gonna be super expensive. So Raikou is the rare. So far not great, but let's see if the luck improves. So Lucario, give me some luck. An IR would be nice, even an ultra rare or an EX or something. Just so we could see the different artworks in this set. Okay, Execute, Beware, Helioptile. I'm going a little quick just because I'm looking forward to something nice, and then I'll take a break or I'll slow down once we get something. Executor, Miltank. Holy moly, Meganium. This is so bad. I'm gonna have to open more packs from this set. What do I want to do? We'll alternate because there's 2 of each artwork left, so we'll do Gardevoir, Venusaur, then Gardevoir, Venusaur. Mongoose, Rare Candy, Ice Cube, Bayleaf, Magnezone. Oh my god. This is cooking bad. So 3 more packs. I mean, honestly, it just takes 1 pack to get a big hit and then it makes up for everything. So that's all we were looking for. So, oops, I don't want to mess it up. Maybe I just got a bad batch, and I'm gonna have to open more packs. But yeah, let's see. I mean, you have to be optimistic until the end. Repel. Let's go. There we go. At least one EX. And it's the Mega Latios. I mean, it's not obviously the SIR or anything, but at least we got something. I can't complain. It's our only hit, so we have to sleeve that up. 2 more packs. You know, last pack magic is a thing, so maybe we were just building it up. So we got the EX. Can we hope for one more hit? Out of 9 packs, I mean, I've seen the rates. They shouldn't be this bad, so I should be expecting at least one more hit. Vulpix, Grumpig, Force of Vitality, Executor. So let's go. I told you, it's gonna come. That's super cool. Okay, I'll take it. One more hit? Nah, I'm gonna keep my expectations low. I think that was the hit of the box. I'm sure they filter out or they batch it so you don't get too many hits. Okay, so Nuzleaf, Sandslash, Abra, Switch, Force of Vitality, Volcanion, Shiftry, Stonejourner, Kadabra, and Xerneas. Alright. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I can't complain. We did get 2 hits, one really nice one and then one mini hit, I guess. And EX, it's nowadays they're not super valuable, but in terms of like just hit wise, an illustration is decent. I think from the hit rate I've seen, it's like 1 in 6 or 1 in even 9. So we opened 9 packs and we got an IR and an EX, so that's pretty good. So if you guys like this opening and you guys want me to do more openings of Mega Evolutions, obviously drop a comment down below. Please like and share. I might be doing some more pack openings for Mega Evolution once I get more packs. But yeah, that's all I have to say. So as always, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.